Darshini. I am studying 7th A from Kamam International School, Dharmaburi. Hello students! Good morning to all and all present here. How are you students? Did you all fine? Did you all ate a breakfast in the morning? If you ate the breakfast, you're brisk and can do activity. Yes, students, today I am going to do an experiment. We can do jolly and we can do come together and we can do you and me. Can we do this experiment? Okay, what is this experiment name? Do you know it? This experiment name is heat transfer by convection of air. What is convection, children? Do you know about that? Yes, you're right. The upwards and downwards movement of air is called convection. So I'm going to show the process of this experiment. We know the process, the definition, how it process. Now I'm going to that one. I'm going to show in demo only. Okay, for this we can see some materials. We need 2 glass, utensil, a piece of cardboard, a lighter or a candle. You can use anything. Before starting this experiment, we can keep 1 glass inside the freezer. And keep inside the freezer. Now we can insert this utensil. Now we can insert it. Should be burn all the sides also. Now we can place inside this glass. Now take a piece of cardboard and close and keep some weight on it because the air should not escape. Can live for some minutes only. We should leave it. See students, we can see this is a process of convection. See, this air is lifting out. It's trying to lift out, but it cannot lift out because we are keeping some weight on it. So the air should not escape, but now we are keeping. So because of that only, this is a process of convection. I said the definition of the air goes up and again coming down, going up and again coming down. This only. Now we can take the freezer we kept on glass. Now we can take that. See, this is frozen glass we kept inside freezer now. That is a frozen glass, and this glass is filled out smoke air. Now we can take this weight and take this frozen glass and keep here, and take the cardboard and we can observe. Students, what you can observe here? Yes, you're right. See, the smoke air goes up and the cool air sinking down because the density of cool air is higher than the density of smoke air. Before starting this experiment, we kept 1 glass in the freezer. It boiled. It reduced the velocity of air molecules and density increased. And the smoke air of velocity of air is very high and collided with each other, moving themselves far apart. Okay students, this is the phenomena of this experiment. I think you like this experiment now, and you can do in your home itself because this all the home materials only. You can do in your home itself. Okay students, that is the end of our class, and next time I'll come in a new topic. It's very attractive and we'll be jolly. We can play it in that time. Okay students, bye. Happy learning.